Hello and welcome. This is an unboxing video for my very first stone horse directly from the factory. I've bought two stone horses from other collectors, but this is my very first stone horse that I've ever bought straight from Shipshewana, Indiana. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and we'll see who's inside. First, you got to have your handy dandy pocket knife. Makes cutting very easy. Alright. Packing slips. Just toss those. And about 1 billion packing peanuts. Holy crap. Okay. Dog, do not eat those. Go on. Away. The dogs are out. Okay, so as you can see, she's big and she's blue. Oh my goodness. So this is the turquoise bunny from Equilocity 2018. And she is absolutely gorgeous. I didn't even get her in gloss. I knew she was gonna be really pretty just in the satin matte. And turquoise is one of my favorite stones. Oh my gosh, she even has blue eyes. Can you see that? This is my first ever Peter Stone from the factory, and my gosh, she's heavy. She is chunky. You just like hear how solid she is on the table. Just look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, me being from Arizona, when I saw that they were going to make a turquoise bunny, I was like, oh, I'm getting her. I don't even care that I'm not going to Equilocity. So they did a thing online where if you were not going to go to Equilocity, which is in Kentucky next to BreyerFest, you could pre-order her online and have her ship in August. And that's what I did. And I'm super glad that I did. Maybe I can grab my other stone trotting drafter back there and kind of grab him as a reference to how big she is. Sneak him out. Okay. So the trotting drafter is a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna get him in the camera better. But she is way thicker in my opinion. Just look at her. Thick girl. Look at that. Let's put her next to my my ish over here. So you can see she is a monster of a horse right there. But oh my God, she is beautiful. Step aside, boys. New girl coming through. Goodness. Yeah, hope you like that. I will get this video up loaded here in a couple minutes. So thank you for watching.